Today, I'm going to make this card for my daddy. Look what I have got here. Some color papers and pencils, a white glue into buttons. You can use any random buttons. Okay, let's get started. I'm so excited. We need a square white paper. This is how I do it. Cut off the part we don't need. Be very careful with scissors. Ask an adult to help you if you have never done this before. Yay, you did it! Now we have a square.
Square.
Now let's fold it this way. And like this. One more. Now it should look like this. We need to fold it in carefully. Now we are about to cut our heart shape. Are you ready? Again, be very careful with scissors. There we have our heart shape.
Heart.
Now let's get a black paper. Draw around the shape. There you go. Let's cut it out. Again, please be very careful with scissors. Now let's do the same with a yellow paper. Be very careful with scissors. Let's open our white paper. We are going to use white glue and stick the yellow heart in the middle. There you go. Stick it in the middle. Now we can decorate our card. Let's fold it in. Now we are are making the tuxedo. Give it a little cut in the middle. Fold it like this. And again. Now place it on top of the white heart. That's it. You got it. Now we use white glue. Just a little bit would do. Stick it on top. There you have it. Now we are going to make the bow tie. Be careful with the scissor. Yay! Almost there! Put a little bit glue in the middle. And stick it on the white. Now take out 2 buttons. Again, use white glue to stick them on. Yay! Mission accomplished! Hooray! Daddy is going to love it! I love you, Dottie! Yay! Please subscribe and hit the like button.